Sunrise peeks through the pine trees, coffee brewing, birds in harmony, barefoot steps on dewy grass. In this country life, nothing moves too fast. Old porch swing creaking in the breeze, sweet tea kisses, hearts at ease. Laughter echoes down the dirt road in the simple life. Love's the code. Fields of gold beneath the sky, chasing dreams as clouds drift by. Hands entwined, souls set free in the country. Just you and me. No city lights, no traffic jams, just fireflies and slow dance jams. Every star tells our story in this rural territory. It's a good life in the country, where hearts are light and spirits run free. Simple joys and endless skies. Love grows where the eagle flies in the country. Life's a melody, singing sweet in you and me. Morning walks through fields anew, nature's canvas, every hue. Whispers of the wind so kind, peace and love are easy to find. Harvest moons and midnight tunes, dancing shadows, lovers' swoons. Crickets serenade the night. Everything here feels just right. No deadlines, no buzzing phones, just the rhythm of our own tones. Every breeze sings our song in this place where we belong. It's a good life in the country, where hearts are light and spirits run free. Simple joys and endless skies. Love grows where the eagle flies in the country. Life's a melody,